In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MetaTrader 5 for MyForexFunds. By the end, you'll know how to log in, open charts, place trades safely, follow prop firm rules, and monitor your risk like a pro. First, make sure you have your account details ready. After you sign up or purchase, you'll receive a trading login ID, a password, and the correct server name from your dashboard or by email. Keep these secure and ensure the server you select in MetaTrader 5 matches exactly what you were given. A mismatch is one of the most common login issues. Now open MetaTrader 5, go to File, then Log into Trade Account. Enter your login ID, your password, and the server name, then click Login. If the credentials are correct, you'll see the market prices updating and your charts beginning to move. If not, double check for extra spaces when copying and pasting, confirm the server, and make sure caps lock isn't on. Next, open a trading chart so you can analyze price action. Open the Market Watch panel, find a symbol like EURUSD or GBPUSD, right-click it, and select Chart Window. From here, you can switch timeframes, add indicators, and review recent price swings to prepare your plan. When you're ready to place a trade, click New Order. Choose your volume, also known as lot size, and set your stop loss and take profit before you click Buy or Sell. On a prop account, a predefined stop loss is essential because it helps prevent sudden rule violations during volatile moves. Make sure the lot size aligns with your plan and the firm's limits. Always respect the prop firm rules. Keep an eye on your daily loss limit, your maximum drawdown, any lot size restrictions, and any news trading restrictions. These rules are strictly enforced, and breaking them can result in immediate account failure, even if your strategy is sound. To keep everything under control, open the toolbox and switch to the Trade tab. Monitor your open profit or loss, your margin level, and your drawdown in real time. If these metrics start creeping toward your limits, reduce risk and reassess. Use sound risk management. A beginner-friendly approach is to risk about 0.5% to 1% of your account per trade. Adjust your lot size based on your stop-loss distance so that your dollar risk stays within that range. Avoid overtrading and be selective. Only take high-quality setups that fit your plan. Finally, consider using a VPS. Installing MT5 on a reliable VPS and keeping it running 24/7 provides more stable connectivity and is especially helpful if you use expert advisors or trade during news and overnight sessions. That's it. You're ready to trade responsibly on MetaTrader 5 with your prop account.